By default on Olympus cameras, when you half press the shutter, you'll start the autofocus system. Fully press the shutter and you'll take your picture. But for some photographers, they prefer to separate the focusing and firing functions onto two separate buttons. It's known as back button focus, and in this video, I'll show you how to set it up. I'll begin by pressing the menu button on my Olympus OMD E-M1 Mark II, and then I'm going to move down to the custom menu. That's a little cog icon. I'll move across to A1, across once more and down one to AEL/AFL, across again, and I can choose the different focusing methods. I'm going to use the single AF focusing method to set my back button focus. You may choose others as well. Across once more will allow me to change the mode for that focusing system. I'm going to change it to mode 3. You'll notice now that halfway press only locks exposure. If I want to use the autofocus, I have to press the AEL/AFL button, and that is on the back of the camera, hence the name back button focus. Once you're happy, just press the OK button, then the menu button a couple of times, and you'll be out of the menus completely and ready to shoot. Now, if I half press the shutter like before, nothing happens. If I press the AEL/AFL button, the autofocus kicks in. So it works. But maybe that button isn't the most ergonomically comfortable for the way you use the camera. Well, you can assign any of the buttons here to be your back button focus, even the function button on the lens. I'm going to use function 1 as my back button focus. Here's how I set it up. I'll press the menu once more. I'll make sure I'm still in the custom menu, and I'll go down to section B. Now I'm going to go across to the button function, across again, and then I can go up and down to find function 1. Once I found it, go across, and then I can go up and down to assign function 1 as my AEL/AFL. Press OK, then the menu a couple of times, and that's it. Now that button is my back button focus. Just remember that whatever function that button had before, it's now gone. And if back button focus is something you're only going to use occasionally, this could be a really good time to set up your very own custom mode. And you can find out how to do that by watching one of my previous videos right here on Olympus UK's YouTube channel. I'm Gavin Hoey. Thanks for watching.